and you are completely relaxed from your head to your toes. You feel all wobbly and soft like jelly, and you are sinking into your soft bed, so heavy, so peaceful, and so relaxed. Can you imagine that you are lying on a soft lawn? The grass is spongy and warm beneath you. Listen. Can you hear the breeze rustling the leaves in the big trees? The birds are singing, and you can tell it's a sunny day. You look up into the blue sky and see a few wispy clouds floating by. You notice one of them looks a bit like a horse, and as you watch, it seems to grow cloudy wings. Before your eyes, the cloud starts to look a bit thicker, the legs a little stronger, and it begins to shine like the glossy white coat of a real horse. And then, to your amazement, the cloud horse changes into a real horse and swoops down behind the tops of the trees. You look to see where the flying horse went. You are standing in the middle of a large circle of grassy green lawn. Surrounding the lawn in every direction are big gardens filled with flowering bushes. At regular intervals between the gardens, you notice a number of interesting gates. Each one is different, and you count. Yes, 7 altogether. The one facing the direction the horse flew is an old garden gate with a huge copper hoop which hangs down beside the latch. The gate is open. As you walk over to it, you notice the wood has several small spirals carved into it. You trace one of these with your finger round and round on the soft, worn wood. You pass through the gateway and start walking along a wide path which has sweet-smelling flowers growing in the hedges